On Lama, lift up. Now put your knee on the elbow and slowly head up. Find the balance, find the balance. Rose right leg straight. Yep, both hands straight, more hands straight. Come on, Miss Beena, come up. Then raise your left leg, right leg. Then bring your left elbow to the right foot. Yep, and put, come on. Miss Rose, find the balance. Everybody stay there. Come on, Miss Gabby. 6. Find the balance. Yep. Very good. Now catch your left ankle. Catch your left ankle. Maintain balance there. More catch your left ankle. Just move your right hand, move forward. Right hand. Okay, relax. The balance. More hand is straight. You can keep moving your hands more down. Elbow straight. Be careful, be careful. Oh, relax. You know, you can keep moving your hands down and try to catch your knee joint.